Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting FX running on your TV. Install the app, then open it. Once done, grant storage and network permissions so the app can read local drives and network shares. Make sure your remote or pointer control is paired. If you prefer, connect a USB mouse for precise taps. Next, switch FX to TV-friendly mode if available and accept any file access prompts. This sets the foundation so FX can browse internal storage, attached USB drives, and LAN shares immediately. Now you'll add and browse sources. Open drives to view internal and attached USB storage. To access another device, add a LAN/SMB connection by entering the target IP, username, and password. Once authenticated, you'll see shared folders. For cloud access, choose the cloud provider, sign in, and grant permissions. FX will index those folders locally for fast browsing. Also mount FTP or SFTP servers using host and port settings. Finish by managing files. Use multi-select or long press to mark items, then choose copy, move, delete, or compress. Drag and drop works if you have pointer control, otherwise use the action menu. For playback, open a media file with the built-in player or use the cast option to send to Chromecast or an external device. When done, unmount network shares safely. If something goes wrong, check app permissions, verify the network path and credentials, and confirm the drive or share is mounted and online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.